Hi, I'm Latoya Roberson with DanceTeacherWeb, and I have for you a little how-to about how to get your students to either start their beats or to clean them up a little bit by using their inner thighs a little bit more and pushing off the floor a little bit harder to get those beats in. Carly's going to demonstrate. So we start in fifth position. We sauté 1 and 2, stretch, plie. 1 and 2, stretch, plie. 1 and 2, stretch, plie. 1 beat and then change, stretch. So you want to make sure that they're using their inner thighs to close that front foot and then making sure we're in a nice plie in second position. Can you do the first bit? 1 and 2. So knees over toes when you plie, and then we'll stretch and then bend again. And then sauté, beat, stretch, plie. Really squeezing the inner thighs to make sure that beat crosses. Finish it up. 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8. So that's a little exercise that I use with my beginner students to make sure that they're really learning how to beat completely, closing the inner thighs and making sure to get a good fifth and then a good demi-plie once they're done. I hope this was helpful.